At number 1, we have the Avantek CB11 Wireless Doorbell. Tired of complicated installations? This is the ultimate plug-and-play solution. Everything you need is in the box. Its compact design means it won't block other outlets. Just plug it in and you're halfway done. And with an incredible 1,000-foot range, you'll never miss a visitor, even in the largest of homes. Choose from 52 different melodies and adjust the volume to perfectly suit your home and family. Built to withstand the elements from heavy rain to scorching sun, it's designed for year-round reliability. Easy to install, reliable, and packed with features. The Avantek CB11 is the last doorbell you'll ever need.
This thing is a breeze to set up. It comes prepared, so you can have it running in less than a minute. No wiring, no professionals needed. It uses high-frequency technology for a rock-solid connection with a range of up to 1,000 feet in open space. No more missed deliveries. Get creative with 58 different chime options, including fun seasonal tones, and adjust the volume to your perfect level, from silent with LED flash to loud and clear. Built tough with durable ABS material, it's IP55 waterproof and dustproof. Plus, the battery lasts up to 3 years, and it looks great on any home. And Amazon's choice with over 34,000 5-star reviews, all for a price that won't break the bank. This is the reliable doorbell upgrade you've been looking for.
At number 3, we have the AVANTEK D-3B Wireless Doorbell Kit. Ideal for larger homes, it has an incredible 1,300-foot range and a dual receiver system, so you'll always hear the doorbell no matter where you are. It's built to last, with a waterproof design for harsh weather and ultra-low power consumption that lets the battery last up to 3 years. Personalize your experience with 52 elegant melodies and adjustable volume. There's even an eye-catching LED notification. And don't worry about power outages. The memory function retains your selected melody and volume settings. Setup is a breeze with both adhesive pads and screws included, giving you total flexibility for any wall type. With rich, well-balanced sound, the AVANTEK D-3B is the reliable, stylish doorbell solution you've been looking for.
At number 4, we have the SadoTech Wireless Doorbell Kit. Tired of guessing who's at the door? Assign different chimes to different transmitters for easy entrance identification. And with an incredible 1,000-foot wireless range, you'll hear the doorbell from anywhere in your home or yard. Choose from over 50 fun chime sounds and adjust the volume to the perfect level for your home. Missed a delivery because it was too noisy? The bright LED indicator ensures you never miss a visitor again. Setup is a breeze. Just peel, stick, and you're done. No complicated wiring or tools needed. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell Kit. Smart, reliable, and designed for your home. Upgrade your doorbell today.